Bienvenidos, I'm Chef Puppet, and you're watching Cooking at the Crib. Today we're going to continue working with the green salsa. You were here last time. If you watched how to make the tomatillo green salsa, we're going to complete it today. We're going to put it with some chilaquiles. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry some onion. And I'm going to turn on the heat because it wasn't on. Chilaquiles, the way my abuela used to make, are so good to the heart. The reason is because she fries the tortillas. She doesn't buy the tostadas. When you buy tostadas, it's not the same. The tortillas taste just better because they're hard in some places and they're soft in others. So beautiful. So I'm gonna beat some eggs instead of beating some heads. That's a good scramble right there, man. Now that we have the onions frying up a little bit, I'm gonna throw the chips back in. Get that going with the onion. I look for some black pepper. I put a little black pepper in here. If you like it a little spicy, you put more. Just a sprinkle of salt. Las cebollas give the chilaquiles a better taste. That's what my abuela told me. My abuela taught me how to cook because my mom wasn't around. So the OG, she good. Nice and crispy. I throw in the egg. Always wash your hands. O sea, sucio. Cuando los eggs start looking like an omelet, that's when you throw in your cheese. About 2 handfuls. Y este queso, this cheese, has a little bit of jalapeno also in it. If you're cooking for more people, you just have more eggs. This is only for 3 people. About 6 eggs for 3, 2 handfuls of cheese, about 6 tortillas. Makes a good chilaquiles anytime. Now that the chilaquiles are almost ready, actually they're done cooking, I'm gonna grab my green salsa. I'm gonna pour it all on top. Then I'm gonna let it cook just a little bit. smells great. Perfect chilaquiles. Now I want to taste them. Put some in my bowl. Mmm, it is awesome.
Hey chef, how about some for me?
Make your own, man. Watch my show. You know how to make it.